In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the language in Microsoft Word to English, whether you're working on a document in a multilingual environment or simply prefer using Microsoft Word in English. Adjusting the language settings can greatly enhance your experience. So let's dive right into it. First, you'll want to open your Microsoft Word document. With your document open, guide your focus to the upper left corner of your screen and click on File. This will open the File menu, granting you access to a multitude of options for customizing Word to fit your needs. From here, navigate down to Options and click on it. This action will bring up the Word Options dialog box where the majority of your customization takes place. Inside the Word Options dialog, you'll find several tabs, each corresponding to different aspects of Word's functionality. Our focus today will be on the Language tab. Once you click the Language tab, you'll see two main sections: Office Authoring Languages and Proofing, and Office Display Language. Starting with the Office Authoring Languages and Proofing section, your task is to check if English is listed among the languages. If English is available, select it and then click Set as Preferred. However, if English is not on the list, don't worry, you can easily add it by clicking on Add a Language. This leads you to a list of languages where you can search for the specific English dialect you prefer, such as English, United States. Once you find it, click Add and remember to set it as preferred. Now let's move to setting English as the display language, which controls the language of the interface you see when using Word. Within the same language tab, look for the Office Display Language section. Here, select the English dialect you want and click Set as Preferred. This step ensures that all menus and help contents are presented in your chosen English language, making navigation more intuitive if English is your preferred language. Finally, don't forget about the Office Help Language section. This section is usually right below the Display Language section. The process here is the same. Choose the English dialect you wish to use and set it as your preferred choice. Bear in mind you might be prompted to restart Office for some of these changes to fully take effect. Restarting the application ensures that all language settings are correctly implemented across Word. By following these steps, you now have Microsoft Word set up in English for a seamless and user-friendly experience. This process can significantly improve your productivity and comfort when using Word, as you'll be navigating and creating documents in the language that best suits your needs. Thanks for watching, and happy writing.